element that you're going to want to keep in mind. For us, it needs to make sense. That is why we lead. You're even looking at, okay, I need to get here to this destination, but I'm going to need to make sure she's good, make sure the kid's good, make sure the household, Feminine has no processing of anything of that shit. Feminine will hear, I can't do this anymore, and be in the feeling of, it's over, you're leaving, I'm not good enough, family is gonna be this, that, and the other, all of. That's where your lead comes in. Wait, before all that falls out, let me catch that, pick that up. So how you're going to do that, how I invite you to, is to step by step cultivate the feeling of, the separation of. Feminine has to feel the reality of what you're talking about. Feel the reality of, okay, I got needs here. Are they being met? I know how I'm feeling. Let me express it. How are you feeling? What is it that you need? Because the feeling of feminine is reciprocity. Feminine at its core is nurture. Now there's the, I'm not getting what I need, so fuck you, I need to get what I need. Oh, can't hear that at all. That just hurts them. But the here I am being the man, the husband, the partner, everything that you need, you are happy and fulfilled. And if you are not, let's create how, or be honest about, I'm not actually up to do that. And that's a real conversation, because if you need the validation of, I am monogamous and solely focused on you, can I do that? Let's be honest. If I need to get my dick off every other day, whether that's you or different flavors and partners, let's be honest. Can we do that? It's all these real conversations inside of the context of, and that's where you're evaluating the structure before you tear down the wall.